Here we have these little blinds, right? They're these little curved blinds, but they resemble wood. So I'm gonna take these long ones combined with these black boards. They're all just cardboard, but that's fine. But I'm gonna lay them down so we can like achieve that aesthetic, that slatted aesthetic. And then this right here is gonna go onto this wall. And then this texture on the white wall, I'm either just gonna like ignore it or I'm gonna put some white paper behind it so it's like nice and smooth. But yeah, this is gonna be fire. Now I kind of got it set up now, so we're gonna set up the rest of the desk, sit down, see how it feels. Alright, anyways, this is the official setup now. We have the M4 MacBook Air. We have the Keychron V1 Max. Random mouse off of Amazon because I don't really care for DPI numbers that much. We have this slatted background here with these white walls, curtains on the side so whenever I want to, and you know, assuming it's daylight, crack this open, have some nice sunlight. But considering how much of this was homemade, so this little laptop stand right here, completely homemade. This thing you just saw, I just completely made this from scratch. It's cardboard and blinds, but it looks clean. These lights right here, I didn't make them myself, but they cost a couple of dollars from like King Supers or any other store, really. Let's ignore my messy closet. Yeah, we'll ignore that. Just recently got this in my room. I'm gonna be filming a couple of B-roll shots because that's kind of a nice, it kind of looks good. But yeah, this is how it is officially. And also something that I like is that down here, it's kind of just clean, you know? It's kind of just clean, it's just black there. So I can get some nice B-roll shots of the desk now. This is really good, I love it. I freaking love it.